Since biological systems with signs of complex engineering are unlikely to have arisen from accidents or dash. So one word is plural and negative, the other one should also be plural first of all. So we have only one plural option. So we'll go with that. Coincidences. Their dash must come from natural selection. What is there? There is biological systems. So biological systems dash come from natural selection. So what of biological systems? Association of biological systems. Association is between two things, but here we have only one, biological systems. So we cannot put association here. Biological systems do not have group or club, but yes, they have organization. So examples of biological system is the nervous system in our body, digestive system in our body. So the systems which work in our body are called biological systems, and they don't have clubs or groups, but yes, they're organized in our body in a way. So we'll say their organization must come from natural selection, and hence should have functions useful for dash and dash. So we won't say useful for death or existence, because here we are not talking about how life existed. We are just talking about that how biological systems are useful for our survival. That how is digestive system helping in our survival? How is nervous system helping? Basically they want to say what are the functions of these systems in our body. So functions useful for our survival and dash in the environments. So they are useful for survival and copy, imitation, replica. So they don't do these things, digestive system, nervous system, but yes, they have a role to play in reproduction, to continue life. So that is why it will be how they help in survive, and they help to continue life in the environments in which humans evolved.